Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about how do I check if an object has a specific property in the JavaScript. Alright. So first of all, I have to create an object here. Alright. So we have created our object. So now we're going to check whether our object has that specific property or not. So we can do it in the two different ways. So let me just tell you the first one. So in the first one, what you need to do, you're going to simply write the name of your object, then dot, then has. Then you have to use the method hasOwnProperty. And you will pass the name of the property here. So for example, I just want to pass the name of the property is prop1. All right, and I have to console log this, so I'm gonna write log, right? So if my object has that prop1 property, so this method will return me the true, otherwise it will return the false. Okay, so let me just run this now. And now you can see here we have this value, but if I just remove one and run it again, we don't have that prop property only. Okay, so this is the one way. And in the second way, I'm gonna simply copy this. Okay, so there is another method in which you use the object, all right, and you use the method hasOwn. In the first argument, you will pass your object, which is my object here, and in the second argument, you will pass the property which you want to check whether it exists in your object or not. Okay, so for now, I want to check that a prop exists. Let me just comment out this code. So let me just run it now, and you can see here we don't have the prop property, and if I just write the 2 here, it will come up as the true because we have the prop2 property. And this is how we can use the hasOwn method and the hasOwnProperty method in the JavaScript to check whether the object has a specific property or not. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.